Hi, the following set of video clips demonstrate how to create a very simple water filter using sand and charcoal. The sand removes the heavy things in the water like potential worms, and the charcoal neutralizes the water calcium level and removes any contaminants, any biological materials that are in the water. So these are bags of charcoal. They're going to be the charcoal filters used in the water filtering system. They made the charcoal themselves, which is really very neat. And we're gonna have to break it up to get it into the cylinder. They make the charcoal themselves from wood, and they're crushing the charcoal so that we can use it as a charcoal filter. I don't know. This is the top, and water will go in the top and filter down. In the middle there'll be a flush so that they could rinse the sand. The top half of the pipe contains sand. The bottom half of the pipe contains charcoal. There's a screen to prevent the charcoal from coming out the holes. It's a plastic screen so it doesn't rust. And there's multiple holes because the screen makes the aperture smaller. A big smile on his face. He's filling the pipe with the charcoal. Stones and organic material out of the sand. I'm going to wash it with fresh water from the well, then rinse it with chlorinated water to kill any E. coli that may be in there from animals. You can see the grasses being extracted from the sand. We need water now to rinse the sand. This is the washing of the sand. This is the first rinse, and we're going to wash it till all the dirt is out and get all the organic materials out. Once the water is clear, I'll put chlorine in there to kill any E. coli that might be in the sand from animals that may have used the sand as a place to go to the bathroom. First rinse is over. I'll do the second rinse. It's going to require 4 or 5 rinses. So we've washed the sand 3 times so far. It's getting clearer, but nowhere near complete. So we put 2 bottles of bleach. We put 2 bottles of bleach to kill E. coli, which may be in the sand. The external plumbing on the cylinder is fairly complete. and we're about to load the sand into the top. So what we did, because there's a screen at the bottom with the charcoal, we put 4 holes into the pipe, and they're just there to have a single outlet. Because the screen makes the apertures much smaller, we put 4 outlets, well, even though it only comes into 1 1/2-inch pipe, because there's only a 1/2-inch pipe going in. In goes the sand.
Bậc hào phải tốt cái chú ý. Một đám đấy ở trên đằng này chút năm ta ọc phải à? Ăn bộ. Thua là ăn cực. Ok. Ọc vào lưới. Mình fit bản này nè.หรือว่ามันโบเนนต่อเขาดีๆประมาณนี้คนเลยเอานี่ปอกไล่ไปแต่ละข้างไป
Second carbon sand water filter that we built. This was one of the men that built this system. And I'm going to ask him to say something.
Yeah.
You talk.
Yeah.
You. Yak.
เริ่มไม่แต่ก็เราบ่มีน้ำใช้
แต่ก่อนเราบ่มีน้ำใช้เดี๋ยวนี้ปีเตอร์เรามาสร้างน้ำบาดาลหรือว่าน้ำมันอันนี้แหละให้น้ำสะอาด
ว้าวมา
แต่ก่อนก็บ่มีน้ำใช้เดี๋ยวนี้แหละปีเตอร์ได้มาสร้างน้ำบาดาลหรือว่าน้ำสะอาดมาให้พวกเฮาบ้านชาวบ้านนาก็ได้พากันเฮ็ดกันสร้างกันได้ใช้สะดวกสบายแล้วพวกเฮาก็ขอบใจหลายๆชมเชยที่ปีเตอร์มาสร้างให้กันเลยขอขอบใจปีเตอร์หลายๆว่าตรงนั้นเลยโอเค